Hi guys, my name is Nino Christopher Emansan and I'm about to perform anatomical movement. Let's watch this.
What is anatomical movement? Anatomical terms of movements are used to describe the actions of muscles upon the skeleton. The term used assumes that the body begins in the anatomical position. Anatomical movements can be defined as the act or instance of moving the bodily structure or as the change of position in one or move of the joints of the body. The different types of anatomical movements are the following. Adduction, moving a body part towards the midline of the body. Abduction, moving a body part away from the midline of the body. Here is an example of abduction and adduction. These are the following bones and muscles involved. Circumduction. This is a movement in which the distal end of the humerus moves in a circular motion while the proximal ends remain stable. It is formed by the flexion, abduction, extension, and adduction successively. And angular motions, abduction, adduction, and circumduction of the upper limb of the shoulder. This is what angular motion and circumduction looks like. Dorsiflexion, lifting the foot so that its superior surface approaches the shin. Plantar flexion, depressing the foot or pointing the toes. Here is the best example of dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. These are the following bones and muscles involved. Elevation, movement that lifts the body part inferiorly. Depression, movement of the body part inferiorly. Elevation and depression occur in the frontal plane. Elevation, depression. These are the following bones and muscles involved. Extension is extending the arms both sides. Flexion is the movement in the anterior-posterior plane that reduces the angle between the articulating elements. Extension, flexion. These are the following bones and muscles involved. Gliding occurs when two opposing surfaces slide past each other, as between articulating carpals and tarsals and between the clavicles. This is how to perform gliding. These are the following bones and muscles involved. Opposition is a special movement of thumb which enables it to grasp and hold an object. This is short example of opposition. These are the following bones and muscles involved. Pronation. Radius rotates over ulna. Supination. Radius and ulna are parallel. Here is an example. These are the following bones and muscles involved. Protraction is to move forward. Retraction is to move backward, used to describe the forward and backward movements of the jaw. Here is an example. These are the following bones and muscles involved. Rotation involves turning the body or limb around the longitudinal axis, as in rotating the arm to screw in a light bulb. This is the best example of rotation. These are the following bones and muscles involved.